Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of algebra and its applications. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols. It is a way to represent mathematical relationships using equations and formulas. At its core, algebra is about solving equations. For example, the equation 2x plus 3 equals 7 can be solved for x by isolating x on one side of the equation, which results in x equals 2. This is a basic application of algebra, but it can also be used to solve more complex problems, such as finding the area of a circle or the slope of a line. Algebra is also used in many real-world applications, such as in engineering, physics, and finance. Engineers use algebra to design and analyze structures and machines, while physicists use it to describe the behavior of matter and energy. In finance, algebra is used to calculate interest rates, stock prices, and other financial data. Algebra is also an essential tool in many other areas of mathematics, such as calculus and geometry. Calculus, for example, uses algebra to solve problems involving rates of change and optimization, while geometry uses it to calculate the properties of shapes and figures. Overall, algebra is a powerful tool that is used to understand and solve a wide variety of mathematical problems, in addition to its many real-world applications. It is a fundamental part of mathematics and plays a crucial role in many fields of study. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about algebra, don't hesitate to check out more video on our channel, or look for resources online. Happy learning!